Last and not the least, a good preacher finishes 7 times, but this is the last one. I would want to say this, Mr. President. A lie will always keep on changing shoes, but the truth is stubborn. Truth will always walk barefoot. Continue walking barefoot. Continue building for Kenyans. Don't listen to the distractors and politicians. Some of them, they supported this program when they were campaigning. But what happened? That they say that the program is not a good program. That is a lie. Continue walking barefoot. Continue building. In the next 10 years, you will have housed over 700,000 families. And that will be the greatest impact. God bless you in Jesus' name.
Thank you. Thank you, Steve. Thank you very much. Tukutane pale March, nyumba yako itakuwa tayari. Wewe tayari umeshafanya mambo. Namwambia pia Maureen hapo amejipanga. Tukutane, uchukue nyumba yako, uendelee na maisha. Na usikue na wasiwasi na mimi. I cannot be distracted. I am a man on a mission to transform this country. And no amount of noise, kelele, fitina, propaganda, it sway me from delivering on this agenda. And I am willing to pay the price, whatever it is, to make sure that we transform this country and we house as many Kenyans as possible. So I give you my word on that.